here. Here, Bryson. Hey, where'd you go? Where'd my little helper go? Here. Bryson, come here. Hey. We're almost done. This one's big. This is big. Here. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
It's heavy. Put it in. No. He's like, too high. We're almost done. We have 2 more. Just 2 more. Here. Put that in there. Smell it. Smell it. Okay, put it in there. Close the door. Close it. Good job. High five. High five. Good job. Yeah. Bump it. Bump it. Okay. You're like grabbing